I made $63,000 right here, as you can see, this month. And how I did that is I've been promoting this offer called Cunt Empire. I know it's weird, but it's an adult gaming offer. And this is like one of the only platforms that has that offer. And I've been just doing paid ads, and I actually spent like $30,000. So it's 2x ROI, but the offer is really, really good. But maybe you could find my ad out there using the Adplexity spy tool I give access to. Link is down below in the description. You can probably find a few of my campaigns if you look hard enough. But then again, who knows if it's really me, because you can't really tell. There's so many freaking campaigns out there. To inspire you right there, that's a 2x ROI, just doing one offer on one network. I'm telling you guys, you can make a huge income, and it's not been hard for me to do it all. I just really want to, once again, inspire you guys, encourage you guys to go after your dreams, because I was a nobody. I tried forever to make this work, and now I'm just literally trying to be as simple as possible. Just stay in my lane and just focus on what I need to focus on.